Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. I was just jamming out to some country music on this premium Fender sound system in this beautiful 2017 Jetta GLI. Let me tell you a little bit about this car. So it's a 2.0 turbo with the DSG transmission. It's the sportiest member of the Jetta family. Now over here, you have the radio system. You got AM/FM satellite radio, which you get 3 months free with the purchase of the vehicle. You have full Bluetooth with streaming capabilities, built-in navigation. Wowzers! So you won't get lost on those long road trips. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which I'll go over in another video for you. So down here you got heated seats, both driver and passenger, dual climate control, and keyless start. Why don't you come down to Trend Motors and take this beauty for a spin? I'll see you soon.